Is it right there, Dad?
It's over there.
What?
Island is. That's chicken. Hear that? Hear that sound? You know you're in the island for sure.
Dad, come take the chicken with me.
Let me hide from you. Look, go look. Hear them?
Come take the chicken with me. Dad. Come take the chicken with me.
If I can find them. Oh, they're laying eggs here. Island, the chickens laying egg here. Oh, wow, a little baby one. If the mama see you, we're in trouble. Oh, look a baby one right here, guys. But it seems like it's not gonna survive. Oh, ratted. Step back, Island. I don't want you to get attacked. Maybe this is the mom right here.
I don't know. I don't kick
If,
I will kick this one.
or probably she has set pants on
I will
egg.
kiss. I will kick this one.
No, you don't. Hey, Mr. Sure, take the phone and attack me though. Me ratted.
That's scary.
So this is a baby one, guys, but it's not gonna make it. Hey, you said I'm frightened, but think I attack the phone and attack me.
That's just so funny.
Oh yeah, it's sitting on an egg. There it is. Maybe I even all a spoiled egg too, who knows. So sometimes they sit on spoiled egg. Well, heap of dongle about the place, yeah.
Oh my God, I can get up there.
Huh?
Then I can get up there.
Yeah, the chicken never hide from you.
Then I can get up there.
Yeah.
Taste the chicken.
Yeah, look and see if we can find him.
But he's over there.
Yeah. So this is where we're staying, my beautiful people. It's a big house, very spacious, and it's actually owned by a police officer.
Police officer. Daddy, let's go home. That's not my house.
Show you guys the outside. So this one we don't have a laundry. So we have to go wash by hand, which we don't have a problem with. So this must be like maybe the house before this one. Is it? This look like a older house, but he said that no one else lives here. But that's definitely a room with some clothes in it and stuff. Not gonna really go in there. Oh, and a bunch of cat. Can you guys see that? There's cats right there. Yeah, man. And them have one little pipe here, so. And call it a standpipe, you know. One little pipe there. So this reminds me of Jamaica, like real country life, you know. Real country life settings. Big banana palm tree there. This is just the back of the property, and locals living around. Papaya load pantry. Look there. No sir. I first me say a papaya tree so big. Look at this. This is one big papaya tree. Papaya hang off there, sir. Papaya goes up, papaya up there, sir. Guys, have you ever seen a papaya tree this big? I've never seen that. What the hell? It's like a big tree. Okay, this looks like a kitchen area. Look like a kitchen area, guys. Look at that. From ground, go right up. Papa loaded.